Hello, Facebook. Hello. Marcus Guiliano here. Facebook Live, ready to start. Never know when I'm exactly starting. Now it looks like I'm on. Good morning. Hello, Facebook. Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're catching me. Chef Marcus Guiliano here. Restaurant Growth Secrets University. I want to talk about the big debate or dilemma or topic lately, and that is, will technology replace staff at restaurants? Will tech replace staff? A lot of people are saying, yeah, it's happening, it's going, it's moving forward, tech is on its way. And then you have some experts saying, well, staff will never get replaced. And, you know, here's my take on it. I don't want staff to go away from restaurants. I don't want that personal experience. I don't want that connection that humans desire. We desire connection. We connect with people. I do agree that tech is taking jobs away. Certain jobs is making our jobs easier. We are getting away with less labor on certain things. For example, when an invoice comes into a restaurant now, instead of somebody sitting there and doing manual data entry for every item, you just take a picture now and upload it, and there's a program that transforms all those purchases into your QuickBooks, into your accounting program. And it's amazing. And somebody doesn't have to sit there and do that. So yes, that helps a lot. Technology for training your team is beyond amazing now. I mean, the technology of having Zoom calls, nobody needs to be in person anymore, be able to do online platforms for training, the resources that are available for training, the training that restaurant tours can build out that are customized and personalized to their team only and hold them accountable for it. The technology is amazing. The ordering systems, you don't have to call a restaurant anymore. You can just go online and order away and pay like that. You don't have to wait for them to answer the phone. So yes, technology is indeed taking jobs away. However, I think the most successful restaurants out there will leverage this technology to improve their customer relations, their face-to-face time with the customer. All right. If you've noticed, when you walk into an airport and you have all those check-in kiosks, those are all replacing people that you used to check in with. However, there's still somebody standing there to help you with anything you need help with. They'll actually do it for you if you need it to do it, right? So if you're like, I just don't understand this kiosk, I don't know how to check into my flight right now, someone will walk over and help you and give you the personal experience. They're not just leaving you on your own. If you're a restaurant owner, restaurant operator, and you're like, well, we don't have servers anymore. We have, a kiosk. We have an app that you have to get on your phone. What if somebody walks in and doesn't have, a phone? Their phone's dead. What if they don't have a smartphone, which is highly unlikely, but there's still people out there with flip phones. There's people out there that are running older phones that don't have room or browsing room, or their phones aren't fast. Some of you don't have internet where you're at. I mean, I remember when we first opened in 2003, 2004, 2005, companies would come in and say, hey, would you like us to provide internet for all of your guests here on a program, on a router? And it was expensive. Now you just buy a router for $30 at Walmart, and everybody on your block has internet. They just log into your thing. But back then it was a big investment. So yes, technology is leading the way. However, I hope we never ever lose the personal connection, the smart restaurateur will take advantage of the tech and make themselves a better restaurant, have better customer service, have better face-to-face experiences. People need to connect. That's the bottom line. So that's my opinion. That's my answer on that very important debate. Everybody have an amazing day. If you want more on restaurant operations, more tips and tricks, go to restaurantgrowthsecretsuniversity.com. Check it out. Got a ton of content there. We will be launching very, very, very soon. Very soon. We're beta testing here at our own restaurant. It's a new online training platform that's going to be connected to coaching, to my coaching. We're very excited to be launching this. Our staff is in beta testing right now with this. It is a way to train your staff through technology for better, higher quality staff. And in that portal is going to have a lot of stuff on just on hiring staff. We have not had a staffing issue at my restaurant, thank goodness. But there's an exact strategy to retaining staff, to having staff, great team members. There's an exact strategy for that. So we teach you that in there as well, and then we give you the tools to execute it. So Restaurant Growth Secrets University, the new platform will be launched here within another month. Super exciting, and check that out. And my contact information is on the website. If you need any help, please contact me.